Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Edifier wireless headphones with Android smartphone. And to do this, I'll be using normal Bluetooth settings, and after that I will show you how to perform setup with Edifier Connect app. So to begin, let's open Bluetooth on our smartphone and scroll down to the bottom of the list, and here we can find all available devices. Now you can power on your headphones, then click on the Bluetooth button and hold it for a few seconds until this LED lamp right here starts flashing in a green light. Now we can refresh available devices, and there's Edifier W820NB. Click on pair. Now we're connected. You can start using your headphones if you want, but also let's move on to Edifier Connect app. You can download it from Google Play Store or any other store. Here, click on wireless series and find your W820NB. Click on it and click on to connect. And wait a bit. Allow to make calls, and right here the setup is finished. You can begin changing any settings for your headphones. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.